Cutting and welding are essential processes in metalworking and fabrication industries. Cutting involves using various tools and techniques to sever metal or other material. Wear the required personal protective equipment, PPE. Protect other workers from flashes. Have an adequate fire extinguisher readily available. Remove combustible materials from the vicinity of cutting and welding operations. Provide fire watch if needed. Secure all connections, couplings, and fittings on your rig. Cut or weld in an area with oily rags, dust, or other combustible material nearby. Weld in an area unless other workers have a welding screen to protect them from the welding arc. Transport bottles with gauges installed. Use worn cable. Use worn hoses. Wear clothes made of synthetic fabrics. Assist anyone cutting or welding unless you are wearing eye protection.